Guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a DIY bird tree stand for your bird. A lot of birds really like this. Bird tree stands are really expensive and some can get up to $2,000 or more. So DIYing it is a great way to do it yourself. So let's get on to making this DIY bird tree stand. First you want to take a bird safe tree and then just take a knife and start scraping off all of that bark off the tree. So it is hours later and I finally finished debarking the branch and now it's dark outside and my hands are super dirty. You can't really see it in the camera, but they're super dirty. Okay, now what we're going to do is sand the bottom of the tree. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and screw the tree through. So here's how the bird tree stand turned out. I think I really like it. It has a perch here and a perch at the bottom. At the top, these branches are strong enough for a bird to sit on. And it has a large platform piece. Now we're gonna let this sit in the sun and cleanse it. Now go ahead and put it wherever you're gonna keep it. So I've decided to put my bird tree stand right here. Now the last thing to do is add some accessories. Okay, so here is the bird DIY tree stand complete. I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a little quick tree tour. So first when you come down from the top, this is just a little wicker ball toy with some pieces to shred at the bottom. And then over here is just some stuff that I will stuff with crinkle paper on the sides and then some cardboard egg cartons that my bird can shred here. Well, the bird that I'm going to get. Then over here is just a rope ladder that I have DIY'd that comes all the way over here. If you go down right here, here's just a toy that I will stuff with crinkle paper and treats, and she has to go through all different directions to try to get the treats. If you go over here, here's this long toy that hangs down. This is just a little shredding toy with square pieces and rectangle pieces. Here's a little place for her to sit and perch, as well as up there, but those are not ones that I have installed. And then there's just another little toy over here. When you go closer to the bottom, there's this toy that I will stuff with crinkle paper with some cardboard egg cartons, as well as another perch that I have installed just for my bird that I'm gonna get to sit over here. When you go over here, there's some more. This is just a bunch of egg cartons for her to just shred apart. Here's another toy that I'm going to stuff with crinkle paper, and there's paper wicker balls with some paper star pieces that can hold seeds. And then at the bottom, it's kind of hard to see, but here is a few toys. These are floor toys or foot toys. I just have like this little one that I'm going to stuff with treats. I have 3 different wicker balls of all different sizes. I have 2 of these little things which you can stuff treats in those little holes there. And then I have a star wicker ball that can, or not a wicker ball, a star piece that can hold seeds. Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, and share this video with your friends and family. I hope you guys have made an awesome DIY bird tree stand, and I hope your bird really enjoys it and loves it. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye!